Still is subject, verb, object, right? One more, because she usually confused. Why? Once you translate, always mistake. It's confused. So use the picture. Okay, one more.
谁是他的女朋友
Yes, very good. Look, 谁是他的女朋友 ？See picture. 谁是他的女朋友 ？This is correct. So look. So 谁是 what? 他的女朋友 Okay, correct. Next one. Use 谁 Here I want to say one thing. Because English, we always move the question word to the front, right? That's why what do you want? Where will you go? Who are you? So always the question is beginning. But Chinese, no. Chinese, we don't care it's a question or not. Here it's just by accident. It's at the beginning, okay? So actually also can be here. That's why, look, question can be in the end. Now she is beginning just by accident because it's a subject. So who can make a sentence put she is here? So it means that Chinese language, we don't care it's a question or statement. We care this order. Okay, who try put she in the end? Who try? Actually, one classmate very beginning made the sentence. Okay, try.
要喝咖啡谁
No. That's wrong. Yes.
我的名老师谁谁
Again.
我的名老师
我的们 or 我们的
sorry 我们的老师谁谁
Okay, so 我们的老师是谁 This one is correct. So our teacher is who? So actually this one, I think the normal way say 谁是我们的老师 right? So who is our teacher? Usually we don't say our teacher is who.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So this one, the structure is correct, but just the saying not common. Okay, now try another one.
谁是你的孩子
Okay, correct. That's still this one. 谁是你的孩子？谁是你的孩子 Who is your kid? Right? Okay, next one.
谁是你的学生
Yeah, 谁是你的学生 Still the same. Next. I want you try a sentence. 谁 is object. Yes. Yes. See? "你是谁 You see? This is correct. She is in the end. For example, someone call you, hello. Then you know who it is. You say, 你是谁 Like you are who? Right? 你是谁 Yeah, this is correct. You see? She is the being. Look, 你是谁 Then answer. 我是 Linda. Right? So, if you don't know how to make a question, you can answer first, then you go back. Because the same structure. This is correct.
星期一星期一
Try. I know you want to say. I think you can make it.
你见星期你见我的
Try. You can make it. I know what you want to say. Try. 星期一 okay? Continue.
Şey diyen Ode.
Hmm?
That means on
Okay. You don't need to translate. So, 谁 little bit confused, okay? So, that's why now we need to practice more. It's who. But follow Chinese structure, always subject, verb, object. Look, actually you want to say this. Okay, for example, I heard Monday you will meet one Italian friend. So I'm curious. I say, oh, who? You meet who? Right? Then how to say? So, 星期一你见谁 See? This is a good sentence. That's also, it's a continue last class.